Creating a personal budget doesn't have to be overwhelming. In fact, when you break it down into steps, it becomes a clear roadmap for taking control of your money. Here's a simple guide to help you get started. Step 1 is to know your income. Write down exactly how much money comes in each month after tax. This is your true spending power. The amount you can actually use to cover expenses, save, and plan ahead. Step 2 is to track your spending. Pay attention to where your money is going. Include everything: rent, groceries, coffee runs, online subscriptions, even small daily purchases. This step alone can be eye-opening and often reveals habits you didn't even realize were draining your wallet. Step 3 is to separate the needs from the wants. Needs are essential: housing, food, utilities, transportation. Wants are extras that makes life fun, like dining out, shopping, or vacations. Both are important, but knowing the difference helps you make smarter choices when money gets tight. Step 4 is to choose a budgeting method that works for you. The 50-30-20 rule is a popular one. 50% to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. We actually have a separate video that explains this rule in detail. Check the link in the comments if you want to learn more about this. But remember, there are often other approaches too, like zero-based budgeting or the cash envelope system. The key is to pick a method that fits your lifestyle and personality. Because the best budget is the one that actually works and that you'll actually stick to. Step 5 is to set savings goals. This could mean building an emergency fund, saving for a big purchase, paying down debt, or planning for retirement. When you give your money to a purpose, it's easier to stay motivated and consistent. Step 6 is to review and adjust. Life changes, and so should your budget. Check in each month to see what's working and what isn't. Maybe you got a raise, or maybe expenses went up. Either way, tweak your plan so it stays realistic. Remember, a personal budget isn't about restrictions. It's about clarity, control, and building the life you want with your money. Think of it as a tool, one that gives you freedom, not limitation. Follow us for more simple money tips that help you stay on top of your finances and reach your financial goals.